Hello and welcome back to The Road to Good Cooking. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. And please hit that subscribe button before you leave and the notification bell. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make one of my favorite football munchies, lemon pepper chicken wings and sweet potato fries. And here's how I made them. Today I'm making my lemon pepper chicken wings, and I've already cut my chicken wings in two pieces. So I have the flat piece and then the drumette piece. And what I did, I like to take my chicken wings, I cut the tips off like so, and then cut them in half. And what I like to do, you don't have to do it, but this is my own personal preference. I save these and I'm going to make chicken broth with them, so I have those, put those in a bag in the fridge, in the freezer. And then I cut off all this excess skin because I don't like the taste of that excess skin. You're more than welcome to leave yours on if you wish. I just prefer to cut mine out. That's an awful lot of skin there. See that? And it's not going to add any more flavor to my wings, so why is it there? So I cut that off. And I have scissors. This is the only thing that I use these scissors for, is trimming up my chicken. And I cut off that little extra piece right there. Like I said, this is just your own personal preference. And then that little piece in between the, that little flappy piece that's in between the wing, the drumette and the flat part, I cut that off too. And the reason why I do this, because this has got to be an old bird. And that skin is going to be rubbery and yucky, and you can tell by the size of the wing how big that bird must have been. Look at it; look like little drumsticks, don't they? So I just trim all that off. And like I said, I keep these for my chicken broth, and discard this. And I just trimmed about 2 pounds of wings here, and that's what I got off of 2 pounds of chicken wings. It's an awful lot of junk on your wings. So, like I said, it's just my own personal preference to cut all that unnecessary skin and fat off, because when I roast my wings, I want to taste the lemon pepper, and I want to taste all those good flavors that I'm going to be adding to it. And here's the flat pieces that I was telling you about. So I put those in the freezer, and next time I get ready to make chicken broth, I'll just start with these. And I have a few more pieces of chicken bones and stuff in the freezer. So I mark the bag, chicken broth, so I know what it's for. Now on to the next step. Oh, and I'm going to discard all this. Okay, now I'm going to dress up my wings and get those ready. So I'm going to coat them with olive oil liberally. And I'm going to be using lemon pepper. Lots of it. A couple of sprinkles of Aleppo pepper. You can use red chili flakes if you like, or just completely omit the pepper flakes. And then toss everything together, and making sure that you coat all the chicken wings with the lemon pepper seasoning. Ooh, smells good. Smells awesome. Looks pretty good to me. Now on a prepared baking sheet, I'm going to lay all my chicken wings out in one single layer. Switch spaces here. I have a prepared baking sheet right here. Lay all my chicken wings out in one even layer. Making sure that you have enough room in between so the heat can get to all of them. And I should be able to get them all in there in one layer. There we go. Now for a little extra flavor, I'm going to hit them again with my lemon pepper. And from here, they're going to go into a 350-degree oven. And I'm going to cook them probably for about 40 minutes maybe. I'll check them at the end of 40 minutes to see where they are. And if I need to go a little bit further, as far as my roasting time, I will. Okie doke. So on to the next step. My side dish. And for my side dish, I'm going to be making sweet potato fries. And for you chicken police people, I'm putting on a clean pair of gloves. Because I don't want to use the same ones that I was messing with the chicken with. And I'm going to do the same thing. Coat my sweet potato fries liberally with olive oil. And for my fries, I'm going to be using my mix of salt and pepper, garlic, onion powder, and let's see what else I have in here. Well, that's it. Salt and pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Let's give that a real good coat. Those here. I might put, just for giggles, let's put a little bit of that lemon pepper in there. Why not? Couldn't hurt, right? Add a little bit more flavor. And toss those all together until they're coated. Oh, you know what I forgot to put on here? My lemon, not lemon pepper, but my lemon pepper flakes. Put some of that on there. Love Aleppo pepper flakes. It gives everything such a beautiful flavor. And if you haven't used Aleppo pepper flakes, try it. You're going to love it. I think I got those all coated. Where am I? Here I am. I'm going to put my sweet potato fries all in one even layer. I could have used a bigger pan, but it's okay. I'll make it work. Worst case scenario, I'm going to have to toss them around about halfway through the roasting process. There we go. Now those are ready for the oven. And I'm going to put those in the same 350-degree oven. Here are my chicken wings. I let them go for about an hour, 10, 15 minutes or so. I'm watching the game, so I lost track of time. So what else is new? And in this bowl here, let me move this out of the way. I melted a half a stick of butter. I put 1½ teaspoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice in there, and a little bit of the lemon pepper to kind of reinforce that flavor. I'm going to pour them over these hot wings, and ooh, you know what time it's going to be after that. Yes, indeedy. Oh, and I put a splash of hot sauce in here too. So I'm going to toss these together. Ooh, oh my God, they smell fabulous. Uh-oh, got a piece of aluminum in here. Don't want that in there. When you pour that juice on those hot wings, you can smell the lemon pepper, you can smell the fresh lemon, and oh, it just smells fabulous, absolutely fabulous. And just in time for the 5 o'clock football game. Well, I don't know what time. I think it is 5 o'clock here. Okay, let me get these bad boys plated up with my sweet potato fries, and look at that. You know you want some. You want some? Okay, I'll share with you. Okay, here is my finished dish. And I let the sweet potatoes went for about 45 minutes or so. And you know, one thing I like about sweet potatoes, you can eat them hot, you can eat them at room temperature, and they're really good. And they are super good. Now, let me dig into this chicken. Good all the way down to the bone. Flavorful. I'm not tasting a whole bunch of fatty skin. I'm tasting nothing but chicken. Okay. My job is done. I'm gonna go take my plate, go watch me some football. And if you want to see more of this dish, join me over at my mukbang channel. Bring your plate, bring you some wings. Bring you a libation, because you know what time it is. You already know. And let's have lunch. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So good. And you know I gotta have my veggies. My fruit, rather. Okay. Thank you for stopping by the Road to Good Cooking. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. And that notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thank you for stopping by. Sorry I was smacking in your ear. But these wings are just that good. I'm telling you. Make you some. Look at that. Clean bone. Thank you for stopping by. Be blessed and keep on cooking.